Another commonly provided service by operating system is storage management. The sole purpose of storage management is to provide storage for a file or a directory. It is also responsible for providing features like read, write, access, various files which are stored on either hard disk drive or on cloud. So basic purpose of operating system storage management services is to provide read, write, access and a storage to a file as well as the directory. Another common service by operating system is a process management. This time process management simply handles inter-process communication termed at IPC. Remember this, IPC is inter-process communication. Basically when you have a one space located with multiple processes, so you have process X, process Y, process Z. In order to perform normal processing, they would also require to communicate with each other, and this communication is termed as a IPC. In some cases, process management also would handle remote communication. Why? Maybe this is machine X, this is machine Y. Process X is located over here, process Y is located over here. Process X is located in machine X, process Y is located on machine Y. They would intercommunicate, but over their communication, network comes into picture. So this kind of communication which takes place over the network would be termed as RPC or RMI, which is remote procedure call or remote method invocation. Another service provided by the operating system is a error management, and this would be vital. Why? Error, any kind of failure, any failure can be result of software or hardware malfunctions. Error management would handle both software as well as hardware management. Software management would always talk about normal, or technically as we call as safe close. Now what do you mean by this? Simple. If something goes wrong with the software, to minimum it should close, or to maximum it should close the system without harming it. So that is called as the safe close. Normal execution, where error never occurred, it simply got switched off, or rather due to some resources it got switched off, that can be handled as a normal close. Hardware failure can be a resource failure, and this kind of failure are vital to handle because in some cases we cannot handle the resource itself. Suppose the CPU goes off, you will never be able to do anything beyond system stop. In case RAM goes off, again system stops completely, just giving you beeps. So error management talks about handling any failure and try to get normal or workable execution or normal state. So summarizing all 6 basic services, we have user interface, application interface, followed by device management, storage management, process management and error management. Where user interface simply talked about the GUI, how user would access the operating system. Application interface allowed OS to load, run, execute and try to look normal close for the application. Device management simply talks about storing, accessing and processing of these stages. Storage management simply give me option of keeping everything intact and when needed access that. Process management simply allowed inter-process communication. Error management simply gave me ability to handle error or error state and still try to achieve a normal execution. That's it. Thanks for watching this video.